Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. What up? All right, what up, Mario? Miss K, Timbo, hold on to your butts. Ride the news until something's blown up. Oh. Poco in the house. Max is on one tonight, guys. This dog has been driving me crazy with his whine and his whimpering, whining and whimpering. I let him out of the pen, which I'm not supposed to, because I just cannot stand him whining and whimpering, but he's still doing it even outside the pen, so he's about to learn a lesson. You either got to be in the pen or out of the pen. Okay. QQQ pumping already. Yeah, I mean, it kind of looks like, looking at the higher time frame, it looks like we're going to 690 up there. We're still quite a ways from it, but I'm trying to get Bulenox connected. What up, Ponzi? Looky out below. Can't get Bulenox to connect over here on my Ninja, so it connects on Quantower, but for some reason not on Ninja. I'm not sure. Not sure. Also, my Lucid is not updated yet. You know what's going on with that either. I mean, I guess I can connect Bulenox to Quantower. What up, Bear Trader? About 9 minutes before Buell. I mean, if it doesn't get connected in the next few minutes, I guess I'll connect it through Quantower. Obviously, we got some news tonight. And here's the difference between, like, I was talking to Crystal about this. It's the difference between the news tonight and the news the other day, what was last week. We knew Trump was coming on at 8, right? Come here. We don't know. We don't know when this news is going to drop. There you go, guys. That's the buddy that's been missing in action. There he is. He's been missing in action. He said, I am just whining. I don't like to be in this room. He wants out so he can roam the house. Listen, I let you out of the pen. Isn't that good enough? So, what up, Michelle? Mr. Benj? Ronnie? So, trades by now. Ponzi. Woof, woof. He wants out of the room is what it is. You're just going to whimper and whine until I give in to him, aren't you? You're just going to whimper and whine until I give in to you. All right. He tried to run from me as soon as he saw me about to pick him up. He tried to run, Coach Fred Nouse. He's feeling better. Doc Tito, he just doesn't like to be like picked up like that. Really kind of one of those like leave me alone type dogs. Leave you alone. Leave him alone. Oh my goodness. Guys, I think we're going to see some wildness at open. We are going to see some wildness at open. What up, Marson? It might keep me out of this. I do think what I'm going to do tonight, since I'm not sure what's going to happen, I'm going to go, this sounds backwards. I'm going to go bigger size, but I'm only going to look for 1 point on the gold trades. Normally, I'd go smaller size, look for 5 points. But I'm going to go bigger size and look for 1 point. As long as it's not knifing, I'll feel okay about it. But if it's just kind of consolidating, chopping into an area, pretty confident that I can get 1 point. That will be $100. So 10 micros, 1 point. Yeah, exactly, Ductino. Still with the 15-point stop, because you got to have a 15-point stop. I know what it sounds like, but I'd rather just be in and out. I don't want to be stuck in something that might take an hour, 2 hours to get me my profit. Timbo, congrats on having funded left. Classic. It's almost party time. For some reason, Lucid has not updated for me yet. From last night. You guys, y'all's Lucid still showing on there? I mean, if it was a green P&L, I wouldn't mind looking at it, but take Private Trader as well. If it was a green P&L, I'd be all right with looking at it, but it ain't green. Lucid updated. It didn't update for me. I don't know why. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I guess I'm going to just load Bulenox up over here on Quan Tower. I mean, it connects right away on Quan Tower. Maybe it'll connect now. All right, never mind. It connected. Finally. 660. We're going to go... back to run the show. All right. I think that's the way I'm going to do it. Okay. Everything's connected. We got about 3 minutes. Bulanox updated. But not TPT and Lucid. So yeah, if the gold trade loses tonight, it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt. I'm going to look for kind of like 2, maybe 3 trades. And what I'm going to try to do is try to stick to the levels that are already marked out here. I've got these levels marked out further down. 47.12, 46.88. Obviously, these levels are a little more favorable, these lower levels, but I'll take 47.12 if we get it. 46.53, 46.36. I'm going to try to just stick to these levels. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to try to do. That's what we're going to try to do. From what the Qs are doing, from what it sounds like, we might just gap up at open. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Either way. Yeah, of course, fish lips. We trade MGC on Bewley. I do it every night. Of course. We're going to try, Sean, not to. Try our best. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm just going to do my very best, and whatever happens, happens. Here, Max over there whimpering. So here's the thing. If it pulls back, we're going to see how this... I mean, I think this first open is going to be probably a little unpredictable, but let's see. I'm not going to be too crazy here at open. Let's see. Here we go. Big gap up on EQ. I'm just going to jump in here. Why not? Oh, come on. My damn chart froze. It was doing that all day, man. Driving me nuts. Cost me money right there because I would have locked in like 50, 60 bucks. Shit was freezing up all day. What up, P-Long? I think we're going for the 690. Made $5 on that there. Put my first gold trade order out there. Max, come on, man. It's not that serious. No, there's no circuit breaker halt. This is not a big enough gap up. Nowhere near. Nowhere near. Back above 600 here, I'll probably take it. All right. Back below 90, I'm going to take this off. Needs to go. Big news at 8 yet. Well, digital, it's not really big news at 8. We don't know when it's going to hit. 8's just the deadline. Stuff could come out before that. It could come out after that. We don't know. We get back above that wick there, then I'm going to go stop to break even. If we lose 90, I'm going to get out. What up, Tony? Yeah, Kyle, that could be the case. I mean, but could be the opposite of that too, because everybody could be thinking that same thing. You know what I mean? Everyone could be thinking the same thing. What up, Jay Styles? Holding at the 90, ES at the 6709 there. I'm looking for this thing to get back above 15 there and really get the squeeze going. Back above the wick here is where I'm going to probably go break even. I want to see it just expand above that wick. Let's mark it out here. All right, going to break even. So we get that run into 690. This next run through the 650 should get the squeeze going. If it gets to the 650 without stopping us out, we should just take off here. Oil probably through the roof. Let's see what oil's doing right now. Like I said, we get through that 650 here. This thing should go. Oil pulling back here, 107s. Small gap down on oil. Should go here if we get this run through 650. Through 650, I think we just rocket ship. Should just rocket ship right into the 690s here above 650. I expect to see big expansion. Man, 640 is just holding us down. Get through there. I don't see anything over here on the ES holding us back. Should push up into the 67.42 area. What a Vivian. Vivian, Miss K. Yeah, yeah. Want to see a clean close above the 50 here. I think we take off. Oh, come on. It keeps trying. It's just not going. It thinks there's the deal. I don't know. We don't know. All right, might get stopped out break even here. I thought that last run would get us through there. Maybe this one will. What up, Kevin? Maxie, come on, man. Stop with the whimpering. I'm going to put you back in the pen if you keep whimpering. You whimpering in the pen, you whimper out of the pen. So I'll put you in there if you just keep whimpering. What up, Lucky Mon? I'm trying to be patient on this. I really want, I feel like just taking the 35, 40 bucks here, but I think we could really get the run going here. Michael Bell, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Get going here. I think if it gets through the 40s here, I mean, like I said, I mean, I think 40 to 50 here, we can really just take off. But if it doesn't get through there, then that's obviously not going to happen. You are the man, Eric. You the man. So I'm not going to leave orders sitting there tonight for obvious reasons. Not going to leave them sitting there. I'll have to really pay attention. That way if gold starts moving back down towards the level to get the order out. Come on. I don't know whether I want to give this more room or not. I don't know if I want to give it more room. I think I can. I think I can give it to like 80. ES is pulling back here, though. ATR pretty high so far. Obviously just open. All right, I'm just going to take that off, guys. And if it builds out a bull flag here, we can re-enter. ES gets back above 716 here. Might build out a little bull flag. We might could take it. All right, I'm going to take it here. Same idea. Didn't wait for the candle close there, but lucky mine. I like 690 as a level, but how do we get there? I don't know. That's the thing. We don't know how we get there. We don't know how we get there. That's a decent close there on the 2-minute. We sweep the low. I just probably take it off. What up, BKR? Kind of love it when you're already in a trade, you close it, and then you re-enter it at a worse price. Kind of love that, right? Gotta love it when you do stuff like that. Anybody else have that problem? We'll call it a problem. We'll call it a plan. What do we call it? Same idea here. Going to give it to like 590. Get a little squeeze back up here just to get me out. I'll try to take it off. Yeah, exactly, Letitia. Yeah, BK. I'm going to be taking the gold trades. No worries. But I am sized up tonight on the gold trades, and I'm only looking for 1 point. So I'm going 10 micros, and I'm just looking for 1 point. Just so you know. We get that run back into 615 here. I'm probably just going to kill this. We lose 580. I'll kill it. We'll see ES get above 16 here. Again, if this gives me a chance to just get out, I may just take it. Might even take it with a loss here. Take one of those off there with a loss. Don't pull a nutty. No. Yeah, Nutty had a rough day. We all have them every now and then. It's fine. So over here on gold, I mean, you could maybe take a aggressive long at like 33, but man, that's, I don't know. It probably works, but I forgot I need to put a stop in. Just a no shit stop, you know? All right, holding the 90s now. You're looking at 33-ish for a quick long. I mean, I don't hate it. Yeah, I mean, like I said, that might be a spot where I might normally buy, but I'm going to be being a little more picky tonight on my entries. How about that gap up? Yep. Just hanging out here at the 600 for now. Market waiting for Trump. I mean, is Trump going to do anything, though? I don't know. Is Trump doing anything, or is there just, I mean, I don't know. There's not a speech or anything, is there? It's just more or less yay or nay. Is that the type of stuff that's going on? I don't know. 110 watching and 43 likes. Come on, guys. What up, Rafi? Mario will tell us. Yeah, yeah, for sure. That it will. Kind of just dragging lower here. Big push up and now just grinding lower. I'm actually going to add one back in at 75. People are waiting for Trump to say something and not what the talking heads are saying. Yeah. What's wrong with Bealonox, Alfred? I haven't had any problems with it yet, but I do hear some delayed entries right at open for sure. Typically. Maybe we get a little bull flag break here, get back above 610 here, get going. Hard to connect. Yeah, I do have that problem too sometimes. And mine would not connect today until about 5 minutes till. So. Come on, get up there. That might have been our opportunity to get out. I don't know. There's a really good close on that candle there. You learn not to trade rhythmic accounts up until 3 or 4 minutes after open. Yeah, sure. Close your short. You think you're going to go see what Trumpster does or says at 8. Nothing wrong with that. I'll push that up a little bit because I think it can really get going here. Kind of pops above 620 here. I think it can get going quickly. You know how much room I'm going to give this though. Yeah. Yes, not able to get above 16 there. That's kind of the problem. What up so low? Guys, if you haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. It's free. Enter the giveaway !MM. Be on alert in the chat tonight. There could be a code just dropped in the chat randomly. You never know. I'm only going to say it once. Be on alert. Max barking at something. Micro scalping rules at Lucid. I don't know. I think what do you need? 4 ticks? Something like that. 5 seconds. I mean, yeah, 5 seconds. I mean, oh, is that my long queue? Yeah, it was. I mean, 5 seconds, that's also an average, right? They're not going to punish you if you got a trade that lasts less than 5 seconds, as long as your average is above 5 seconds, I believe. Yes, that's right. That's what Max said. Oof, oof, oof. Yes, that's right. All right, Dennis. Appreciate you. So, tricky spot over here on gold. We had this exact same scenario last night. We created a higher ledge last night, which we might do here. And yeah, it's a little scary. The only way this would be, I mean, it's okay if we make a new high. If it just creates a ledge here and it just kind of holds right in this range, man, that's going to be a scary one. 3 seconds. 5 seconds. 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 I can't do it. 7. Good old nutty. Man, it pushes up there and then pulls back. Kind of dirty. You long right at the open and close right away with plus 800. Let's go. I was trying to sound like nutty for a little bit. Good old nudie bar. Come on, Max. I guess if I would have stuck with my 10 points there, I would have already been out. New 15-minute candle in 35 seconds. They only made one of him. Yeah. For sure. Good old nutty. So we're creating a new bridge here. Ledge. I don't know, man. Is that dog over there standing up? What's he doing? All right. Now, this looks better. This looks better. So if this does push up here, say we make a new high or we come close to it, then I would like this ledge way better. Way better. I still like this ledge. Anybody notice anything about this ledge that's not perfect? Anybody notice anything? No lower lows. Well, so this middle candle did not make a low. So your low candle is your first candle, but that is okay. That's okay in this scenario. The middle one just needs to, typically you'd want it to be lower, the lowest candle, but it doesn't really, I mean, it's not that significant. You see, I'm probably still going to take it, but I'm trying to decide here if I'm going to take it or not. Man, this is just so similar to last night's setup that I was in for 2 hours. Hmm. It looks an awful lot like last night's. Whoa. Wow. Well, at least we were in on the right side of that. Wow. Look at that, guys. I am not taking that. Oh, it would have paid right away, too. That's what I was talking about, guys. That's exactly what I was talking about. Look at that thing go. Holy cow. I mean, that ledge worked, but obviously that would have been not fun. All right, I'm up $300 after that. Trapped everyone, yeah. That's what I was saying, Chris. I was talking about that earlier. Like, we were talking about how, like, oh, Trump news at 8. Like, no. This stuff can happen at any moment. That's what makes tonight different. Like, we don't know. Any tweet, any new updated information, we have no idea, right? $390 candle. Yeah. I mean, look at that. That's insanity right there. So that ledge would have paid, but I did not drop the order. I saw that boner candle come and I nope. Nick a towel. It would have paid right away too because it bounced right off of it, but that makes it very, very tough. Very tough. And now you have data wick on either side here. I'm going to take the run through 763 here. Just chase it. You sort of have liquidity on both sides here, data wicks on both sides. So through the high, I'm going to go break even here. Like 7, well, actually right here's where it could pull back. It's going to go. I think it's going to go, but I can't give it much room. I agree. Suspend bombing and attack of Iran for a period of 2 weeks. Okay. There you go. Look what we have down here, guys. Now, I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm a sucker. Stop is gonna go to break even through the high. Bink. Bink, bango, boongo, bongo. Up 400 bucks. Cruise at 103. What up, Robert? I mean, what are you gonna do? So up 400 bucks on this account tonight. All right. There we go. There we go. Yeah, Adam, it did. Nice job. Let's go, happy kids. What up, Robert? We will eventually come back and take out this 360. Although it is 500 points below us now. Let's see here. Let's drag this over. Hourly's just running, guys. Running higher. It's kind of your next level of interest up there at the 25,000. Still 200 points above us, but anyone else need a hug? Yeah. Well, at least we know some of the news is out of the way, right? Some of the news is out of the way. Technical trading is a lost art. Yeah, for sure. What was the news? Nice job, dude. Trump says he's going to extend 2 weeks. Holy cow, Sean. You were 12 micros long. Let's go. You made a killing, huh? Made a killing. The funny thing is, like, that's good news, right? It went up 150 points and then dumped, what, 243 points and then ripped back up 478 points. So no matter what you thought about it, you're not making money on that, right? It's going to wreck you. Going to wreck you. So if we get a death candle here back through 740 area, if we smash back through this, I'll take the short. Trump bombs them anyway and tweets April Fools. Oh. You're up 10K. Dang, copy trading. Nice. You wait for the balance and then longed it. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Glad I didn't drop that order there. I mean, I think ultimately it would have won, but the copy trader might have screwed up anyway. But man, that would have been woo. Few racing bids and a couple of market sellers caused that. I don't know, Picos. I think that was more or less just headline. I mean, I'm sure the order book being thin has something to do with it, but still. Insanity. Insanity. Yeah, I don't watch the time and sales. We don't watch it. Nothing wrong with watching it. Oh, you guys see Pine over there trying to lose money now? I said, this guy complains about being red and then complains that he made too much money. uh, we get a death candle here, we may take the short. Problem is, stop is pretty big. Yeah, I'm talking smack, dude. I'm talking smack. Smack talking are us. Guys, we are trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. We're at 9728. Maybe we can get to 9750 tonight. I don't know. Messing up your head, Miss K? I'm doing my best. Oil under 100? Oh, let me see. Oil dipped down to 100. 100.95. Like, if I'm going to take this short, it really needs to be on this candle, or the next candle needs to get through this level. How to one become a disciplined trader? Jonathan, very difficult to do, man. Very difficult. Just over time, I'm not even disciplined. So I still have my moments of undiscipline. If you guys watch, you see me every day. Every day I still struggle. Cause a list, good point. What happens if you request 50% of the profits on Lucid and the account goes boom? Well, if you request 50% of the profit, it's going to leave you 50% in your drawdown. So after you've taken the payout and it blows, you just start over. If you blow it after you take the payout, make sure you get paid first before you blow it. Make sure it's approved. What up, Punisher? All right, guys, I'm going to try another little long here. And I'm going to go stop to break even at 810. You know what? I'm just going to take 815. I'm going to go 15 points here. We're going to go 15 points. 810 stop to break even. Stops in. Go. Oh, come on. There we go. What up, Coper? Yeah, we're green on a eval 428. That's all we've taken so far. I was about to drop the order down here on this ledge on gold, and I saw that candle right there pump, and then I said nope, and I canceled it. It would have won ultimately, but what happened to the market? Trump said that he's extending the deadline by 2 weeks. And when he said that, we had a 150-point whip up right here. We whipped up 150. Then we whipped down 272. And then we just proceeded to rip back up 485 points. So there you go. That's about a 500-point swing. We had a Taco Tuesday. We did. That's why I was saying, guys, I was saying this very early on in the day, guys. I was telling you guys, let's be careful because last week on Tuesday, we knew the news was coming at 8. So we knew we could work around it. This week, We have no idea. Today we had no idea when the news was coming. The deadline was 8, but I said this beginning of the stream, news can come at any time. We don't know. So we're potentially creating another ledge over here on gold. It's not like, it's not my favorite kind of ledge, but it is one. High BP trading, yeah, for sure. The blood pressure spikes. Bink. Got an hourly gap sitting up there at 25,000. Still 150, 160 points away. Feels like that's where we're going. Guys, this chart looks very compressed. This does not look like a big move, but this range is already 500 points. 500 points of range. So got a minute and a half on this 5-minute candle. What up, Francis? Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. I'm not going to be on late tonight, guys. Last night I streamed until midnight. Not doing that tonight. I'm going to get into bed on time tonight, and yeah, so we'll probably stream until 7:30 or something like that. 7:30. Let's see what CL is at. Wow, CL down to 97, guys. All the way down to 97. 97. If you short a CL from the open, yeah. Let's go, Tech T. Nice job. It's only 7 p.m. in Valdosta, yeah. Looks very extended. Colfer, this is what I would be thinking about here. I think this area up here is a very good short spot. Very good spot to pick up some points if we can get there. Psych level, all the things. Be a very good spot to maybe pick up some points. All right. So we have another ledge here on gold technically, right? Higher candle, lower candle, higher candle. So technically this is another ledge. Gold's right here on the left. Cooper, it's also pushing up. 48.28 here. Wish you had an eval from yesterday on the copy trader. You would have passed that. Nice. Thank you, Lucky Mon. Yeah, Valdosta is not that far from me, about 4 hours. I will take this ledge here, guys. I'm not going to put my order down here on it until we start moving back towards it. For the same reason that we didn't have the order just sitting here on this ledge. Crystal took a loss on this ledge because she had her order sitting there. She didn't get it off in time. And it bottom ticked her. Because if you look, your entry is 55.3. The bottom of that candle is 39.6. So barely, like almost 16 points. 15-point stop. It did push up. Like, it did bounce, but it didn't quite go the 5 points on that first bounce back up, I guess. What doing, Maxie? Maxie said hey to everybody earlier when we just started. Anybody else want to see Maxie? All right. All right. One more time, Maxie. One more time, and then your your performance is done for the night. Okay? Say hello to everyone. Okay, let's hold him like a baby. There we go. This is my puppy. Will say hello? Will say hello to everyone? He was a good boy. Max for president. That's right. Yeah, he's calm right now until I put him down. He's gonna start whimpering, whining, and all that good stuff. I'm trying to hold him, like, support him so that he doesn't hurt his back or nothing. He's a good boy. All right, let's put you down. I couldn't even pick him up like this last week. He would have yelped. He would have been hurting, in pain. Lucid didn't reset. Mine didn't either. I tried to do the best, JW, but I'm going to be honest with you. It's kind of annoying me tonight. He's kind of annoying me tonight. Just because he's whimpering and whining. All right, guys, we need 19 more subs. Look at this thing still just go. 19 more subs to get to 97.50. Can we do it? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oil's at 97 pushing. Yes, Mac. What do you mean? Send your details to my funded futures. Mac. Let me see, Mac. Let me double check. Quite certain that I did, but let's just double check it. Yep, I sure did. You're Max, right? And that's your name? They said they issued it at 8:35 this morning. They said they issued it already. 8:35 this morning. This is a 7 o'clock hour. Yeah, take a look. You don't have to do anything. It should just be in there. But yeah, it should be there. Might look for a few points short off that 25,000 level. We'll see. Be shorting into a freight train there, but we'll see. Oh, goodness. I got it muted right as I was sneezing. You tested if you could place a trade in that reset the Lucid account, didn't it? I mean, I already put a order on. I mean, my Lucid and my Take Private Trader still are not reset. Thank you, Kyle. I mean, I could disconnect the connection, but Abrao Silva, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Ooh, you went from negative 20 instead of what I had before the open. Oh. Lucid said they're aware of the issue and will make a formal announcement when they fix the reset. All right. Yeah, I mean, it's no worries. I'm going to go for a little short here off the 25,000. I could also short the 990. I don't hate it. I don't know, Solo. We're going to try to guess the top. Took a little 10-point winner there off the 90. Well, obviously the 90 might have been the short spot there. You love that game? Yeah, definitely move it more than New York. I might take this order off if this starts to like really. Might take a little stab long here too. Stop's going to be at the low. Come on, bruh. Reset, reset, reset. Yeah. Maxie, come on, man. Stop whining. Oil's just falling. Down to 93. Well, I guess I should have stuck with the short there. Look for a little bigger, little push up higher though. Didn't quite get it. Puppy cam for the stream. Yeah, I could. We could do that. I talked about it before, but man, did I try the long again? That's ridiculous. Oh, no. No, we don't try it again. News was leaked. iTrades, there was a headline. There was a Trump post on New Truth Social. The headlines. We're gonna try it again. If I get punished for it again. Oh shoot, I don't know which one I. You didn't put diesel in your rig today? Maybe prices will drop. Probably not, John. What's up, Jip Smith? All right, Kevin, no worries. Oh, futures jump ready to open. Yeah, yeah. What up, O'Dane? Your TradeVid account hasn't reset. Yeah. Mine haven't either. I mean, I can still trade them. I'm not at daily loss limit or anything like that, and I can still trade them. I assume I can. Have I tried trade C? No. You're long 149, MCL and short 273 on NQ. Dang. Diesel 640. It's about $5 here. About $5. Apex Trade Evade not letting me trade. Yeah. The blatant manipulation of these markets is disgusting. All you have to do is post something about wiping out civilization right after you short, then post you're delaying it right after being long. Yeah, that's crazy. John, what kind of truck do you have? Let me hold on. Let me guess, John. Let me guess. You have a Honda Ridgeline. I think John comes off as a Honda Ridgeline type person. What do you guys think? Honda Ridgeline. No offense to anyone who drives a Honda Ridgeline. Does Honda even make a diesel engine? I don't know. Toyota Tacoma, Tundra. Kevin says that's not a truck. I mean, you know, it could be. No, I bet he drives a Chevrolet or John Ram 3500. All right, all right. Some pins taken. Let's go, John. I knew you drove a big truck. I was certain of it. I just like to, I got to pick on you. If I don't do it, who's going to do it? Come on, spike it. Rip it. I mean, come on. Really? 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 You guys seen that meme where the guy's like, you really don't have any money? I don't believe you. I think you're lying. I think you're lying. I think you're lying. 1982 F-150. Yeah, I like those square bodies. All you got to do is at the gas station, go inside and tell the clerk you want 20. Like when it was $1.50, you're still going to pay 20 bucks. No biggie. That's true. You just ain't going to get very far. Come on, get it up there. How come when I get in the trade, it slows down? And it one ticks me? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. There we go. 1977 F-250 Ranger. Got enough to make it to the next gas station. That's right. You are not wrong. All right, back up 430, but let's see what happens on this short up here. It's, going to be scary. That is going to be a scary short. You know what? I'm only going to take one. Shorting right now needs some steel nuts. Yeah. Just one micro, though. And what we'll do here, if we get tagged in at 05, we'll go stop to break even at 90. No one said I was a smart man. Hmm. Little double top there. I'm going to try a quick one here. Little double top. Can I not get 10 points? I mean, come on. I actually kind of already missed the trade, to be honest. There we go. Blow your paper account or flip it to $1 million going full degen. Let's go. 25K, yeah. 8 o'clock. Get it as looking to long 953. Nice. Little double top there. So what's the thought process on this short? We have a psych level. We have a bearish hourly gap up here. And typically, not always, but when we push above the whole number, we tend to retest 75, 80 area before continuing higher. Now, does that happen every time? No. Are we guessing here? Yes. Seller sitting at 525,000, I'm assuming you mean. Guys, if you haven't already, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Enter the giveaway there, exclamation point MM in the chat. You shorted at the bottom, design. No, you didn't. Come on now. I don't believe you. Did you do it? Really? May not get a trade on gold tonight. Maybe not the worst thing in the world, I guess. Oh. Dang design, that sucks. Earl holding 95. Liquidity grab. It might. Triple top here. Got out with an $18 profit. Let's go. GFL, go dogs. Yes, sir. I'm in the Georgia shirt tonight. And of course, we got to have on the DGen hat tonight, you know? If I don't get tagged in here, I will manually enter. Mark it in. Really? You guys see that? Dun, 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 dun. Now it tanks. Oil just hit 92. Are you in oil there, design? All right, tagged in. Stop will go in at below 90. Not looking bueno. CL's at Sport. You're long 72. Let's go. Nice trade. Wait for ES to hit 68.10 here. 68.09. I'm kind of add to the short there. Might move my stop up a little bit. Trade for keeps. What up? And I'm going to go ahead and add here. I'm going to give it to 60. If I can't get out before 60, we're just going to eat it. She has no stop in her. It doesn't care about the whole number. It doesn't care about the hourly gap. Just breaking through every area. All right, stop this out. Probably heading to the 210. Kind of a interesting spot over here on gold. I don't know if I want to take this gold trade or not. All right, we're going to try it. All right, we're in. All right. Now everything, as soon as I took a trade, it reset. As soon as we took a trade, it reset. Did it take it on all of them? Looks like it did. Let's see what Earl is doing. Let's take a look. Oil down to $92. So this is technically a ledge, guys, but it's not. It's not like, you know, fist shove ledge. But it's technically one. I only took 1.81. It just paid 5. Because it needed 43.1. I think it just paid 5. Pretty sure. I just took 1 point though. CL's down 20%. Yeah, that is crazy. Just buy the dip over here on the NQ, guys. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. What do I want to do here? Do I want to continue trading these accounts? Why did that one only go? Did I put these on the wrong? Where's 60? Oh, that one only made 55 also. Well, that only made $11. Oh. All right, definitely hit right there. I just saw 3.2. 8898, 08, 1.8, 2.8. Yeah. So 5 points. Long 2 MCL at 91.50. Let's go. Get it going. A little bit of a scary trade there, but I didn't mind it. All right. Guys, we need 17 more subs to get to 97.50. I'm so tempted to take the short again, but probably would be stupid. It did, John. Again, the problem with it was the fact that this one was the lowest one. So yeah, I see what you're saying. Like the middle one's not the lowest, but same thing on this one down here, right? So it's not perfect, but I don't know. I thought that we're so bullish that it probably works. But yeah, technically, no, it really doesn't meet the actual requirement. But you know, $100 solo, 1 point with 10 micros, $100. Mm. 100. I took it on these accounts. So Take Profit Pro account is now $114 away from lockout for the daily payouts. $53,078 on the Bulenox. $54,017 on that one. We'll request the payout on those on Friday. Take Profit Pro 150K up $1,500 total. And then the rest of these are just evals. You can't code intuition. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You're absolutely right. I kind of want a long here. Mm-hmm. We'll get a little starter with two. Yes, holding that key level there for now. 09. Think the move's overdone? Yeah, maybe. We are in an hourly bearish gap here, but the way we shoved up into it right to the midpoint leads to me to believe that we probably still go higher. I could be wrong. I'm going to do something right quick. I'm doing this for a reason, guys, just so you know. What up, bro? Morty trading? Oh, no, I don't like that. ES kind of lost a key level there. Don't ignore that gold trade, by the way. I'm doing that for a specific reason. If I told you, I'd have to kill you. Boom, 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 boom. Kind of our first touch of the EMA here. I'm going to try to get out of this. See if we get a bounce off the EMA. All right, come on, squeeze it. Just need a little 15-point bounce here. All right. Up 342. $131 watching and 99 likes. All right, back down to the 25,000s maybe. Enough just to get us out of that. We'll take it. You kind of figure that's the first touch of the EMA on this way up. Guess we did hit the midpoint of that hourly gap. It has paid quite a few points at this point, 60, 70 points. Gold's pulling below this ledge now. CL? What's CL doing over here? Yeah, CL bouncing, found a little spot, a little support. The 21 EMA is all the way down to 841. Man, I don't know. Do I try the short now? It'll bounce if I try the short, 100%. If I try this short, it will bounce. Do I leave my Take Profit Pros on here? Probably not. I'm going to take those off. The copier. This other Bulanox account, though. Probably leave that one on here. What EMA is my blue line? 9 EMA on the 2-minute. CL is still kind of the opposite of NQ and ES. Yeah, sort of. Nice job, iTrades. Let's go. Oh, ledge on NQ. Yeah, we don't play those. Guys, anybody know what muscle is right here that sits so right above your bicep but just below your shoulder? Whenever I reach back, it's extremely painful. Anybody know what that is? What muscle that is? I'm going to take this short just based on the break of the 9 EMA, assuming that we might come back down and retest 25K. And I'm going to have a stop at the top of that previous candle there. If this hits, this should give us $400, I think. If it doesn't hit, we'll be back down to like 250 or something. So stop up there. Could just trap here. Tricep? No, it's not tricep. Rotator cuff? Could be. It's my upper arm muscle. Yeah. Yeah, I can lift my arm. It's just when I reach back is when it's very painful. Oh, come on. Come on. I did just notice we are at a major support on ES. I didn't even look over there before I entered this trade. Should I take it off? Yeah, I'm only looking for 10 points, though. Dealt. It doesn't start when I'm lifting. It's when I'm pushing. Like if I reach, say I reach to the back seat to grab something out of the back seat. It's so painful. Like, make you cry painful. It's very bad. I think I tore something. I didn't notice ES is at a major level here. Smart man would just close this. But let's just see. Come on. But yeah, the pain's like, it's literally right there. All right, ES pushing below the support for now. Need this to move quickly here. Come on, get through there. Go. Come on, get down there. Get down there. You know you want it. Get down there. I think I accidentally got tagged in long there with the stop. Eric, when you pick up or curl something, no, that's fine. I mean, I can, all the other motions are fine. It's just when I reach back. It's called the pitcher ender. Yeah, Philip. I mean, it might be. It's a hinge joint, rotator cuff. Yeah, I think that could be it too. Most likely in the joint. Yeah, I was thinking rotator cuff. Gold ledge? Yeah, we do have a gold ledge. That is so scary, though. I mean, there is a gold ledge here, guys. It's going to depend on what time we test this ledge, whether or not I take it. But yeah, it's just when I literally reach back, that's when it hurts really bad. I haven't been to the doctor about it yet. I need to do that. Husk is short. I gotta sneeze. Woo! Um. Uh. Bull flag could be. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to move this a few ticks down. I think my line is crooked anyway. And again, we're 10 minutes into the top of the hour, so if this is tagging me in the next 2-3 minutes here, I'm not going to take it. ES has a ton of L. Yeah, for sure. Both sides, though. Upside and down. Of course, you stopped out, now it's going to rip. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Look at her go. LR to the upside there. We got a new 5-minute candle here in just a moment. All right, let's see here. See who it tagged in. 745 wasn't buy or sell. Yeah. ES recovering the ledge. Got a fell breakdown here. Looks like we're going to squeeze through the high again. So if I'm not tagged in directly on this open of this next candle, then I'm going to take this off. This will be too close to the 8 o'clock hour otherwise. Eric, probably like a little bit after 8. Not long. Because number one, I haven't ate dinner. I'm hungry. Number two, I slept horrible last night and I streamed until midnight. And I didn't really take a nap today. So didn't really get any rest today, so not going to stay on super late tonight. I would like to get to 9750 subscribers, though. We are 16 away. Only you guys can make it happen. Only you guys can make it happen. All right, I think I'm probably going to take this trade off, even though I still think it works. You know, we're just coming in so close to the top of the hour. What? Where did they send the code to? Invalid code? Oh. Hey, Barrio Parque, Suzanne Ross. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscriptions. You the man. Both of you the man. Thank you, Suzanne. You the man. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm taking this order off here. It's going to be too close to the top of the hour, I think. Is that? Yeah, I'm going to take this off. Too close to the top of the hour there. Not willing to risk it. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't want to risk that there. I mean, it still probably works, but it still probably works. Just top of the hour, anything can happen. Anything can happen. What up, Mo? Rubber, I mean, I lean up, obviously, but I lean up. Oh man, do I take this? Peace in our time, a little, I guess, for the next couple of weeks at least. Your band sovereignty? Excellent job. That's all right. If anybody got that, let me know. Oh. You traded Sim and lost money. Uh-oh. Agent already buying? Yeah. Who got it? Anybody get it? Or no? Nobody got it? Anybody know what we're talking about? You don't know what we're talking about. Someone else got it? Still doing another giveaway, guys. What the hell was that? I just heard something say order canceled. Do it for a company we want to trade with. Yeah, I dropped a code trading for keeps. You can see it pinned right there for Apex. Hey, I like Apex. I like Apex. I'm approaching a payout with Apex. We are approaching a payout. We need $400 more. Why is that it keeps saying order canceled? What's going on here? I don't see any pending orders out there. Let me hit flatten all just in case. I dropped a code for Apex. I don't know. Somebody got it. We're up $388 over here on this My Funded Futures email. Why does it keep saying order canceled? What is going on? My Ninja keeps saying order canceled. I mean, I don't have any open orders. Is it the is it things disconnecting and reconnecting? Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. So it didn't get triggered in on that trade anyway. Oh, you keep hearing order canceled too, BK? Oh, I wonder why. I think it might just be like Ninja disconnecting, reconnecting. What's annoying though is it's scary, right? It's like, what the hell? I think this runs back through the high. I'm going to stab here. We'll go for, yeah, 10 points. Oh, shite. I mean, ES looks like it's going to run that. Might just dump. I need OS, I need ES to hold the 802, 803 area here. Lower high here could get scary. Lag, yeah, a little bit. There we go. Let's go. Up $437 now. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. I think that's good enough. All right, so how many people are in the giveaway here? We got 130 people watching. How many we got in the giveaway? We have 88 people in the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat. You're not in the giveaway yet. Going to be giving away a 25K rapid account from My Funded Futures. You guys got about 3 or 4 minutes to enter. I don't know why this middle low high comes on at 8. Woo! There we go through the high. I'm sneezing. What up into the futures? Let's change some of these settings. This pivot points. And then I keep hearing order cancel. It's kind of annoying. So it shows the daily high, middle, and low, but what time does it start? It doesn't say what time it starts. I don't know. I'm not quite sure why it does that. I'm not sure. All right, guys, if you have not already hit the like button for me, subscribe, enter the giveaway. We're going to do the giveaway in a minute. And then we're going to peace out of here and go get some food. I'm hungry. Maybe I'll go sit in Husk lap for a little while. Rub his back. You know. Yeah, T-Massive for sure. Code exceeded, yeah. Is Cove doing poker over there this week? I don't know. Thank you there, JW. You're looking for 6753 area? I don't hate it. You do have a big SMT right here, guys. Huge SMT. What do we always talk about? What do we talk about? Typically, a reversal starts with an SMT. Look at this huge SMT here. Huge SMT, guys. And what's a great target? 6783. Right there. So you'd want to short the ES here because it's the weaker indice. Stop at the high. So I'm going to take it. Make sure I'm on the right account. I am. I'm going to put my stop at the high. And that's it. I think this is a great target down here at 83. Cove's in Antigua. Yeah, I do think Cove is on vacation. I saw on Twitter. Really good target over here on EQ is 25011. 25011 is a great target. I could even take profit at 92 if I wanted to. Let's just do that. Let's not be too crazy with it. $11.37 up there at 68.19. Yeah. That is pretty crazy. Really good short setup here. Looks like chat disconnected. Oh, successfully reconnected. All right. What happened here? Trying to keep an eye on gold here because it is kind of creeping back towards that level. What up in the plane? All right, guys. You guys ready for the giveaway? Ready for the giveaway. Yeah, our Nasdaq's pushing back up. Let's do the giveaway. Let's see how many people we got in there. 129 people. We have 128 watching. Sounds good. And the winner is, what up, Clovis? The winner is one shot. One shot. One shot, are you here? Not two shots, one shot. It only takes one shot to kill him. One shot, one kill. Oh. All right, one shot. I'm setting the timer. You got 1 minute. Oh, there's one shot. Never mind. One shot is here. One shot. Send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. One, include in your email screenshot of you logged in to your YouTube account. Also include your My Funded Futures email that you used to log in. And I need to know if you qualify. Do you have the proper PPE to qualify? Yes or no? Do you qualify? The proper PP. That's right. I put an extra little letter on there, Sean, just to keep it, sort of PG. Got to have the proper. It must be muy corto. Muy corto. Más o menos dos y media. I don't know how to say. Que se dice inches. You don't have to have a My Funded Futures account. You just need to create an email, create an account with them, and you can send that to me. Boom, 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 boom. Just create one. No need to buy anything. Would you rather have Apex? Would you rather have Apex one shot? Both. Both, Chris. Yeah, just create an account with My Funded Futures. That's all you got to do. You don't have to buy anything. Just create an account. There we go. I'm going to go stop to break even below the wick. For, reasons. Actually, I really shouldn't. Give the guy a chance. I am. Should just hit my target when it gets below this wick, though. Should. We're only looking for 6 points here. Nothing crazy. It's like $30 on a micro. Like I said, this thing could move down quite a bit more, guys. I mean, I think 67.83 is a great target. I'm trying to get off here. So I'm not going to hold for that area, but I think you could. Oh, you got the little double entendre going there. So low of you, Solo. So low for so low. Oh, let me see what gold's doing. Nothing. Up 180. Let's go. Micros. Trading Chris. I like it. Get down there. Well, I just think let me just put it up here for now. Bojangles sucks. Oh man, I love Bojangles. Are you getting their biscuits? Their biscuits are amazing. Their bow rounds, their breakfast. Now, as far as their dinner, I could take it or leave it, but their biscuits and their bow rounds are amazing. French fries are pretty good too. I like the biscuits. I think they're good. It depends on where you go though, because I have went to some of them and the biscuits they just kind of fall apart. So let's go, Coach Fred. Nice job. You don't want to be greedy. Yeah, I don't blame you. Sponsor a NASCAR once. You thought you'd try them. They're pretty big here in the South, in general. It's a fast food place. For a fast food place, it's not bad. I should have known better than entering a ES trade. Entering the old ES trade. Oh, you're in Florida? Yeah. We are definitely in a little bit of a chop zone here. Grinding lower. We get below the wick. I'm going to move my stop to here. Get below that wick. Oh, you're in Valdosta now? Yeah. That's basically Florida, right? Pretty close. How long you typically got to wait for a load, Chris, when you're in an area like that? Do they pay you to sit there? I would assume they do, right? To some degree. You blew the horn when we rolled through my area. I heard you. I heard you. Max said, "Arr, arr, 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 arr." He heard you too. Oh, come on. All right, stops going down to there. Realistically, I'm supposed to wait for it to get below this wick, but I think it should get below there. Watching the load board between the trades, yeah. Oh, come on. Don't do me like that. Get on down there. I might kill this trade, guys, just because I'm ready to get off the stream. I'm trying to wait it out, but it's caused me to stay on like an extra 20 minutes. It's kind of grinding here. A little bit of an idiot box. I think it's just going to spike down there at one point here. At some point. Lucid Flex payout structure would take 50% of profits earned once you reach a certain level. D Monkey, dude, I don't know. I think that they move you to live eventually, right? And whatever's in there is what they move you to live with. So that's how you get it. But I wouldn't be so concerned with that right now because whatever you leave in there is what you got in there for your drawdown, right? So I wouldn't really be all that concerned about that. I would just try to churn the account, get as many payouts as you can. Don't necessarily worry about building a huge buffer. Keep yourself 12, 1,500 bucks in there, whatever you need to kind of get by, and just go from there. I don't mind this ledge at 48. 36.1 on gold. I like Quantower for ease of use, but I like Ninja for customability for like ATM settings and things like that. Being able to customize it. So, but I like charting better on Quantower. It's just a personal preference, but Ninja's still very good. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at all those equal lows down there on the ES. Break that 95 level. We should be able to just rocket ship down there. Should just be able to rocket ship. Below that wicket. Okay. Oh, come on. You got to be kidding me, guys. How did that not get me there? What was that? That's crazy. A little grab there, but it didn't get me. I thought it would spike down, but I thought it would take my order too. I'm going to move my stop in here, guys, because I mean, we moved below that level there. If it doesn't push down there and get me now, that's okay. Moving the stop here really is not smart, but I just kind of want to be done. CL's at 97. I use Replicanto also. And they're all about the same, to be honest with you. You're gonna have issues with every one of them from time to time. All right, might have a gold trade here, guys. We are still like 15 points away. Oh my goodness. Is that a ledge on the ES? Kinda. I still like the shorts here, guys. Yes, Nasdaq, you can see just kind of generating a little trend line liquidity here. This is going to rip through this eventually. Looks like ES is about to hit my target. Would I take the previous ledge? This is the ledge. This ledge has not been tested. You see we got a 3-candle setup here. A higher candle, a lower candle, and a higher candle. So this is your ledge. Are you talking about this one here? This technically is not a ledge, although it may bounce from that. Boom, 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 boom. And you see ES just touched my level, basically. Nasdaq is finally breaking through that trend line. So again, we call that this is a really good target, right? 25.010. And target on ES would be 67.83. Oh no, I'm taking the retest. Retest. Could re-short here. The gold trade should go quickly, so if we get tagged in. So ES did hit my target there, 92.25. You'd have to have your stop on this one at the high as well. Basically 50 points. Be a 1-to-1 though. No, not quite a 1-to-1. There's the dumpage. There we go. Nice clean close here. I think this is going. What up, option man? All right, looks like we might get tagged in on gold here. Nah, T-Massive, I got out of the trade. I just moved my stop because I was just sick of waiting on it. It hit the target, though. Completely sick of waiting on it there. Option man, maybe. You racked up 950. Let's go. Nice job. I mean, definitely needs a pullback, right? I don't know how far though. We kind of created a range. I think 25,000 10's an obvious level, but Hey, Made in Trading. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. It's kind of interested in this gold trade. I can't just leave it because my copy trader's been being funky. So if the copy trader had been acting right, I would just leave it. But it has not. There's NQ pushing down, ES pushing down as well, testing the 90. Again, good target there on the NQ at 25,000 10. They talk out both sides of their mouths. Yeah, who knows? Could get that team massive. Yeah, for sure, Coach Fred. Well, that big SMT at the high was kind of your sign, right? That was kind of your sign. Now, 25,010 could be like a soup style area, but I don't know. So, do I chase? I might chase here. I don't know. We're here, so we may as well chase. All right, we might get tagged in here on gold. A lot of red candles. The pro account pretty much is like the payout cap on the pro account is what, 100K? Then algorithmic trading has changed everything. Let's go. Yeah, option, who knows? Trading a Fide is funded. Let's go. Yeah, the pro account is the payout cap. That's the draw of that. I think it's like 100K. Ran out of numbers tonight. I know. All right, let's see if we get tagged in down here on gold. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is working on the 7th red candle in a row. So he is pushed down to 67.87. Did not quite get to 67.83. However, NQ did run its level there. ES is in moonshot territory. Yeah, for sure. That's annoying, guys. I sat here to wait on get tagged in on this trade, and it bounces. 4 points before tagging us in. 4 points before. Rude. Very rude. NASA wasn't the only one going to the moon. Yeah. Coach Red, yes. Either it hits it or it doesn't. You can see that was pretty much a soup level there on the Nasdaq. ES is the weaker indice. You could still hold the short on ES with the stop at the top at the high, but oh man, that's annoying, guys. So annoying. And I would just leave the order there if but no, actually I wouldn't, because at 9 o'clock it could get crazy. Oh, Lucifer, thank you. You feel like it would give it the whole move? Well, there is a data wick down there, so for sure we'll eventually take that. We just don't know when. All right. Do we get tagged in? Do we not? We'll find out. You're long from 25.18. Let's go. Nice job. First trade made at 720. Nice job. All right, guys, I'm going to close my eyes. You guys tell me what happens. I won't even be able to hear it. You guys will have to tell me. No, I'm just kidding. Just going to close my eyes. Still short. Let's go. Dude, and it's not tagging me in yet. I got sneezed again, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm getting sick. Just a little sore throat, but now I've got a little congestion. Maybe we'll take some NyQuil tonight. Knock it out. Knock it out with a little NyQuil. Glory test of 25.060, and then we're going to dump it like it's trash. Maybe. Oh, shit. I just realized something, guys. I'm on the wrong account there. Would have been on the challenge account. We don't want that. Older trend line on gold right there. You're holding your short till 0? Oh, come on now. Let me see. I got this one a little lower, 25.6, 35 point. All right. Trying to get those few extra ticks in there might cost me, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. If I don't get tagged in on this candle here, I'm probably going to take it off because we're going to be too close to the top of the hour at that point. We'll be at 8:50. Brand on the bottom for March 26/31. All right, let's see if we get tagged in here. If it touches the line and doesn't tag us in, that would be detrimental. That hurt my feelings. Trying to just get a little better of an entry, you know? They're both GC, Team Massive. I got both GC up right now. Mm. One on the right's in queue, really, but... Oh, come on. You had to be kidding me, guys. I don't know if that's going to get us in. I think that thing's going to bounce from there. It didn't even hit the line. Did not even hit the line. Ask people to share how long they've been trading for. I'm curious, like, what some of the higher ones are. How long you guys been trading for, guys? Drop it in the chat. Oh, man, already a big bounce here. Annoying. Annoying, annoying. Just missed us, guys. Just missed us. Gotta love it when it does that, misses you by a couple of ticks. Just a couple of tickles. 11 years trading for keeps. What have I been trading? 3.5, something like that. Maybe. Option 16 years, dang. That's crazy how close that came to my entry, guys. Oh, man, so close. 36.8. One. I mean, really been 3 ticks away from the actual entry. 27 years. The AD 7 years. Nice. Oh, you dirty dog. I mean, that's about as dirty as it gets, guys. That is about as dirty as it gets. So dirty. So dirty. Thank you. Back above the high again. This is probably going to make a new ledge here. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so annoying. I mean, even if, I don't know, if I front run that a little bit, I guess maybe, but so right, it's so close. So annoying. $80 points last for, let's go. Oh, me, guys. All right. I think I'm going to call it there, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and call it. Up $456 on this account. Up those dollars on these accounts. Just one gold trade tonight. It's okay. It's fine. Take what it gives us. Do appreciate you guys watching. If you're not already, hit the like button, subscribe. If you want to help support the channel, remember code MYTH for Apex, MYTH. Code MM for everything else. So do appreciate you guys watching. We'll be live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. We'll see you guys then.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, hear army fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq and Nasdaq, don't go full port. Seeks extra cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs with stun alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.